What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on NIO because this stock is pumping absolutely like crazy. We are hitting another take profit targets that I showed you in my last NIO analysis, and in today's video I will tell you, let's say, my updates on this stock. We will talk about the exact prices that I think this stock is gonna hit, and also about the exact setups that you can still trade here. So if you are interested in that, definitely watch this video till the end. But before this video continues, I want to say that I just create my Discord group where I am sharing everyday analysis on the stocks that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, it's completely free, and link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I am revealing everyday important stocks that I'm currently watching. So yeah, if you are interested in that, definitely use that link in the description. Also, if you want to copy my exact trades and you want to join my VIP trading group where I am revealing my long-term stock portfolio and also trades that I'm doing in real time, then definitely check out my Patreon because you can join my VIP group from there, and right now you can try it for 7 days for completely free. So yeah, there is absolutely zero risk, and if you are interested in that, definitely check it out. Link to join is in the description. Let's start today's analysis on the 4-hour chart. We can remove the support areas that I showed you in my last analysis, because right now we created a bullish order blocks here. So you can see with this last candle we took liquidity above like all of these previous important lows. So right now it is really important to watch how the market will react. So if there will be, let's say, another drop, then I'm watching here this bullish order block, which is between levels 5.39 and 4.98. And here you have like two ways how you can trade this move. The first one will be just to wait for a support confirmation. In that case, you want to trade here something like this. So stop loss in this case you want to place under this bullish order block, and the last take profit target, let's say, above this bearish order block, which is between levels 9.55 and 9.17, because if we are gonna test this area, there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we will just swipe the liquidity above, and then the market can reverse back down. And also with a trade like this, you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take, for example, under like this previous highs, this high, and then definitely under this bearish order block, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, you are looking for risk reward ratio like 8.4, you are looking for risk reward ratio 5, something like that, which is, in my opinion, still really great. Let's say another strategy how you can trade this will be to wait for a liquidity grab under like these previous lows, and after that you want to see here a support confirmation. Stop loss in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, and let's assume the stop loss will be like 7.5%, but of course we don't know how the market will turn up eventually. But from a risk reward ratio like 11.9 or like 12, the risk reward ratio, if you will take multiple take profit targets, is gonna be like 8.2, something like that, which is, in my opinion, still really good. And this setup is from, let's say, a risk reward ratio perspective and also from a probability perspective even better, because you want to see important liquidity grab and support confirmation before you are entering a long trade. Because if there will be, let's say, a lot of people who will be opening some long positions in these areas, and they will put their stop losses there, and then we will let's say collect the liquidity, and after that we will see here an increased bullish volume, it will be, let's say, some interesting market manipulation, and we can simply use it for turning our position into a profit. So this is actually the new main setup that I'm currently watching on this stock. But if there will be a perfect support confirmation, let's say in this bullish order block, then you can still trade this previous setup that I showed you. The last take profit target that I showed you for both of these trades is above this bearish order block, which is also on a weekly time frame. This order block is between levels 9.57 and 8.65, and if there will be breakout and then support confirmation of this area, you can open here a long-term long position. So stop loss in this case you want to place under this bearish order block, and the last take profit targets you can feel free to put above this bearish order block, which is between levels 25 25 or like 24.4 and 20.73, but with the straight I will be definitely aiming for, let's say, something slightly under 25, because 25 is an important psychological resistance. And of course, if we are gonna test this area, there is, in my opinion, increased probability that we are gonna take liquidity above, and that's the, let's say, the same reason why I want to wait here for a support confirmation. Again, I'm counting with a liquidity grab, because that's, in my opinion, the most common thing that the crypto and stock market is doing. Of course, in this trade, you again want to take multiple take profit targets, which will give you from risk reward ratio 14. Of course, it will depend on how many profits you will take on each level, but from a risk reward ratio like 14, the risk reward ratio is going to be like 9, 10, something like that, which is still absolutely insane. So this is another setup that you can currently take on this stock, which I still think is pretty undervalued. So yeah, guys, these are actually the main setup that I'm watching right now. And as I said, if you want to copy my exact trades, definitely check out my Patreon. Right now you can join for 7 days for completely free, so there is absolutely zero risk for you. If you don't gonna like it, you can simply cancel your membership. And yeah, if you don't want to miss out on any of my new videos, I will be also really happy if you consider subscribe to this channel. We just passed like 100 subscribers, so yeah, I'm really grateful for that. I'm definitely not planning to stop doing these videos because I'm really enjoying doing them. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. See ya.